just hear me out. You have 75% layout, you have knob, you have wireless connection, you have magnetic switches, you have mechanical switches, you have aluminum case, you have ball cage mechanism, and all of this just less than 200 bucks. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev and today I am really happy to show you this Monsgeek M1 V5 multi-mod mechanical keyboard with TMR, which means you can use magnetic switches and mechanical switches all together. Okay, let's start from what we have inside the box, and box is huge as you may see. So we have a keyboard itself, we have a user manual, 2.4 wireless dongle, USB cable, switch puller, keycap puller, and that's all. You can see this is super heavy. I don't know, maybe it's like several kg, because it's a huge keyboard, right? It's 75%. We have a really interesting knob and you can easily eject. It's the same look and feel as main case of the keyboard, right? So it's not a plastic something stuff, it's a really nice metal knob. We have a double shot PBT keycaps with side printed legend, right? It's even not printed because they shine through, so it kind of molded, right? Pretty high quality standard, but you can use any keycaps what you want. I have no idea what kind of switch do we have under them, because as I mentioned, I cannot check description of this product what I have ordered, but let's check. So okay, so this is Echo magnetic switches. Looks absolutely the same as, I don't know, Gatron or TTC. Pleasant sound. We have RGB enhancer, we have 2 pins and we have central magnets, so theoretically it's compatible with all standard Gatron, TTC and other magnetic switches, so you can use, and also obviously you can use a normal mechanical switches. Under the switch I can see that we have south facing RGB, obviously for side printed legend, and we have a proper proper switch layer under the switch, so sound of this keyboard should be just amazing. But okay, for example, if I need to check what is inside, can I do it without a screwdriver? Yes, I can. Just check this out. This is a hot swappable top part of the keyboard, and we have these elements, right? Usually it's done on a really good custom mechanical keyboards, and this time we have it with a gaming keyboard, right? It's just awesome. And now I can investigate a much closer the PCB sandwich. Also, we have several cables, right, for the battery. And I assume we have 6000 mAh battery, which is like not 8, but not 4. I mean, it's an average good volume for the battery for the wireless mechanical keyboard. So under PCB sandwich, we have a Poron and we have 2 batteries, right? So maybe it's a 3 and a 3. No, sorry guys, it's 8 mAh. So it's 4 and 4, so it's 8 mAh battery, which is enough for, I don't know, weeks of wireless operation. So on the bottom part we can see the name of the keyboard, M1 V5 HE and all of that, and you can see that we have support of normal mechanical switches, and we have a Hall effect sensor like all together, which is just awesome. We have all proper stuff for the stabilizers, they are pre-looped, they are with dampening silicone and all of that. Okay, let's do a sound test and then let's do a performance test. Let's check how this keyboard works. Okay guys, before we will start, just so you know, to be able to switch between wireless and wired Windows and Mac, you need to remove a key caps lock keycap, and then you have a small switch. So to the up it will be wireless Mac, to the down it will be wireless Windows, and right now it's USB because I'm going to check pooling rate for USB connection and for wireless connection. So just so you know how to switch on this keyboard. Okay, let's start from the pooling rate test with a keyboard inspector in USB connection. Okay, here you go. On the screen you can clearly see 8K pooling rate with a pretty proper schema in general. No issues with that. Now let me switch to the wireless mode. So I'm gonna to switch to the wireless Win, and I've inserted 2.4 wireless dongle, and let me remove USB connection. Okay, also you need to press function and Y to switch to the wireless 2.4 mode. Now I can see it up and running, so I'm ready to start a second test. Here you go, and you can see on the screen absolutely the same picture, and it's just awesome. So you have a really stable 8K pooling rate in wireless mode, so you basically don't need the wireless connection. Wired connection. You can use this keyboard absolutely wireless, and it still will supply you with 8K pooling rate and awesome speed and performance. Okay, now let's check what do we have as a web driver. It is the same as FUN60, right? Obviously the same because it is the same hardware. And you can see that first time driver initiation is going on. Let's wait and then check what options do we have. Okay, here you go. Let's quickly check. We have an initial screen with remapping and calibration and all of that. Then we have function settings, macro, light, different profiles, what you can share with anybody else or use somebody else's profile, right? But the main part, of course, is actuation settings, and you can see that we can change the actuation point, right? Let me see, from 0.1 to 3. So from 0.1 to 3.1 for the press and for the up, but let's check this in Valorant game. Okay guys, let's double check several options. Let's start from the what I've just set, like 0.5 and 2.8. Let's see what we will have as a test result. Okay guys, you can see a perfect distance or no distance between holes on a wall, which means within these settings it's really precise. Let me switch this a non-stop rapid trigger just to check will it change anything or not. Let's leave it as is, 0.2 and 0.3. Okay guys, you can see that now it's even better. So if you're looking for the most fast, precise and accurate mechanical keyboard for the competitive gaming, you definitely need to check this out. Okay guys, you heard the sound, you saw the performance, all good. So what is the summary? And I will be really serious about it. My previous, the best choice for the gamer for 2025 was FUN60HE because of the same features: wireless, magnetic switches, mechanical switches, but it was 60%. So if you need a bigger keyboard, for example, you want to play but also you need to work and you need to type, and you just in general, you know, need to have a F-roll, knob and functions key, this guy is maybe a keyboard of the year. You have everything what you may need inside the one product for gaming, for typing, for customization. It's a one big pleasure to mod this keyboard because you can just open the case and that's all. You don't need screwdriver, you don't need anything. So guys, if you're looking at very universal, very versatile, within the budget of much less than $200, You just must check this out.